Ever wondered what a 45-year-old family-run electrical business can do for you? Welcome to JLEC Electrical. Established in 1978, we've been proudly serving the UK with expertise and dedication. From our roots in Bradford, Leeds and Manchester, we've expanded nationwide, delivering top-notch electrical solutions for homes, businesses and industries alike. Looking to reduce your energy bills and carbon footprint? Our MCS-accredited solar PV and battery storage installations are customized to suit your needs. Need reliable industrial electrical installations? From 11 kilovolt servicing to bespoke panel board solutions, we've got you covered. Concerned about security? Our cutting-edge CCTV design and installation services ensure your property is protected around the clock. We also specialize in LED lighting upgrades, electric vehicle charging solutions, data cabling, and much more. At JLEC Electrical, we believe in nurturing talent. Through apprenticeships and in-house training, we're shaping the next generation of electricians. Your safety is our top priority. As NICEAC-approved contractors, we adhere to the highest standards in every project. Ready to experience unparalleled electrical services? Contact us today and let's power your future together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest electrical tips, news and updates.